Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So this is Manju here and I welcome you all. So today I'm going to discuss with you is simple case expression and search case expression in SQL Oracle. Okay, so let us see what is exactly the simple case expression and the search case expression. Okay, so conditional expressions. These are nothing but conditional expressions. We can see one by one here. So case when expression performs an if then else check within an SQL statement. Okay, you can see the syntax here. Case expression when the condition applies here, comparison expression, then result 1, and when comparison expression 2, then result 2. It goes like this, and finally when comparison expression n, then result n, up to n we can take here, and then else result end. So this is what the syntax of case expression. Okay, you can see once again if you not understand this. And here some conditions codes are there. Expression and comparison expression must be in the same data type. Okay, so the expression and the comparison expressions both are must be in same data type, can be used in both select and where clauses. Okay, we can use these two in these two clauses, select and where clauses. Then moving to, there are two ways of using case expressions, which are simple case expression and searched case expression. Okay, we have two types here, that is nothing but simple case expression and searched case expression. So the expression is, what is simple case expression? The expression is started at the beginning and the possible results are checked in the condition parameters. Okay, so the what is exactly the simple case expression is meant, the expression is started at the beginning, okay, and the possible results are checked only within condition parameters. So you can see here the syntax. Case first name when Alex, then name is Alex. When John, then name is John. Else another, and so this is what the simple case expression. And what about search case expression? The expressions are used within the condition without mentioning it at the start of the case. Okay, within the condition we can use, but we cannot mention that in start of the case. See here, we didn't mention here, but here in simple case expression we mentioned at the start case first name, but here we didn't mention case, just it's going to condition. When first name is equal to Alex, then name is Alex. When first name is equal to John, then name is John. Else another, end. So this is what the difference between simple case expressions and searched case expression. So case expression in select statement, we can see the case expression in select statement like this. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary, hire date, then we are using case conditions here. Case job ID when the this one st underscore man, then 1.20 into salary. When sh underscore man, then 1.30 into salary. It goes like this. Else salary end, as alias name is updated salary from employees table, where we can use where condition also here, where job ID in st underscore man, sh underscore man, and sa underscore man, close parenthesis, semicolon. So you can get these below results. You can see here first name, last name, job ID, salary is here, and hire date, and you are getting here updated salary. Okay, so that is not nothing but when John, then it's 1.20 into salary. Okay, so you are getting 19,600. So like this we can use case expression in select statement. Then moving to case expression in where clause, we can use case expression in where clause also. How to use here, you can see here. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary from employees, where we use where here, where within parenthesis case of when job ID is equal to IT Prog and salary is greater than 5000, then 1. When job ID is equal to SA underscore man and salary is greater than 10,000, then 1, else 0, end close parenthesis equal to 1 semicolon. So you are getting the output like this: first name, last name, email, job ID, so that is IT Pro, SA man. So okay, the salary. So it will display the result according to these case expressions condition used with where clause. So these are the things here what I want to show you here. Main the things are here: simple case expressions and searched case expression, and we can use case expression in select clause, and also we can use case expression in where clause. So this is what the video here today I am presenting for you. If you like this video, really kindly like my video and kindly subscribe to my channel, SQL Master YouTube channel, so that you can get more videos like this. And I hope we will meet you in next video with some different concept and queries. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.